Hey there, my name is Alex and welcome to the Social Corner Graphics YouTube channel. In this video series, I'm going to explain to you how you can use our products, beginning from the file structure tutorial all the way to animated Instagram stories. In this video series, you will learn how you can add your own images, change the colors to match your own branding or preferred colors, how you can replace the fonts, where you can find these images we were using, as well as how you can save out your work and then upload it to different social media pages. So let's get started with the first video, which is the file structure tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to use beauty Instagram stories as an example. You can use any other size that you purchased. It will work exactly the same. I'm just going to show you how all the files are structured. Now this works for Instagram, animated Instagram stories as well, but we're going to get to them later in a separate video tutorial. For now, when you download and unzip the files, here is how they look like. So you'll get two JPEG images to see how they can look like with included images. Of course, you can change all of this as you go. They don't even have to be beauty Instagram stories, but we will come to that a bit later in a niche changing video tutorial. So apart from two JPEG files, you have two PSD files. One is with the actual graphics, one is with the post exporter, which I'm going to explain in a separate video as well. And one is a README PDF file. Now, before you even open these PSD files, just double click to open up the PDF file. And inside of it, you will find links to the free fonts we're using. Simply click here, click allow, and it will take you to the Google Fonts page for that particular font. You can do that as well for the other one. So basically, links we're using are going to be shown here depending on the product that you purchased. For this particular product, they are Lato and Playfair Display Regular. You can also download the image collection use for this product here. So simply click on that link, click allow, and it will take you to the Unsplash page and Unsplash website with the beauty pack collection that we used in order to create this product. We're going to get to later in explaining how you can add these images and also your own images to the templates. And finally, to learn how to use the product, you can visit the YouTube channel, which you are doing, and you are watching this video right now. So basically, that's it. That's how the structure looks like. Now I'm going to open up these two PSD files in Photoshop. Simply double click to open it up and minimize, and I'm going to double click to this one as well to open it up. And now in this video tutorial, I'm just going to quickly run through the structure of the files. This structure is exactly the same, and it works exactly the same in the animated Instagram stories as well. So on your right in your layers panel, if you are on the essential workflow, you can change it by clicking right here if you want it to look exactly the same like it is here with me. So in your layers panel, you are going to see 20 different folders, each containing the graphics for that particular folder, and it goes from number 1 through number 5, so from left to right and from top to bottom. So this one is 6, this one is 11, this one is 16, and so on. When you open up the folder, which you're doing by clicking this arrow, all the containing layers are going to be displayed. Now, in the making of every single product, including animated Instagram stories, we are using shape layers. Now, shape layers can be lines, can be backgrounds, can be images, can be buttons, and so on and so on. What that basically means is that you can endlessly shape it however you want to. It's almost a vector tool that you can use. You can change images, you can change shapes, you can switch it from make rounded corners and so on and so on. I'm going to go through in a bit of the details as we go through this video tutorial series, but basically here is how it looks like. Let me quickly zoom into this first one so I can explain it a bit better. So like we did with the ordering, so from 1 to 5 and all the way to 20, from left to right, from top to bottom, it's exactly the same for layers. So from left to right you have a line, which is this line right here, title, which is this text layer right here, and then we have left image, so from left to right, right image, link in the bio, which is this small text right here at the bottom, as well as BG. Now BG is the shorter term for background. We used it in every single of these folders, as you can see right here, as well as for the main background, which all of these Instagram stories at this example sit on top. So I hope that clears the file structure. So once again, this file structure is exactly the same for every single product, including animated Instagram stories, but for that we are going to get to in one of the videos in this series. So I hope you learned something. I hope you understand how the structure is ordered, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.